You eat right, you exercise, and you do what you can to stay in shape. But sometimes it seems like those fat bulges won't budge. If you've been fighting the uphill battle against stubborn fat, take a moment to consider the CoolSculpting treatment. CoolSculpting is an FDA-cleared treatment for men and women seeking to reduce stubborn fat in problem areas, such as their abdomens or sides, with little to no downtime and no surgery. Developed by Harvard scientists and proven safe and effective in clinical studies, CoolSculpting is the world's #1 non-surgical way to reduce unwanted areas of fat. In fact, there have been more than 8 million CoolSculpting treatments worldwide. The CoolSculpting treatment is a medical procedure that can take as little as 35 minutes, depending on the treatment area. Most patients take this time to relax, rest, or even watch TV. After your treatment session, you can typically return to your normal daily activities. Let's take a look at how CoolSculpting works. Patented CoolSculpting technology safely targets and freezes fat cells directly under the skin without harming surrounding nerves or tissue. Typically, up to 20 to 25% of fat in the treated area will begin to be eliminated in the weeks following treatment by the body's own natural processes. Over the weeks and months after treatment, there's a noticeable reduction in the fat layer of the treated area. Results are typically seen 1 to 3 months after treatment. The CoolSculpting procedure is FDA cleared to reduce stubborn fat in common trouble spots on your body. With the CoolSculpting treatment, you can reshape the areas of your body that bother you the most without surgery. Flatten your abdomen. Smooth out your flanks, love handles. Reduce back fat. Reduce excess fat under the chin and under the jawline. Slim down your thighs. Reduce stubborn fat in the upper arm. It all starts with your specific fat reduction goals and creating a personalized treatment plan that you and your doctor will develop during an initial consultation. CoolSculpting can reduce stubborn fat in treated areas. This means your clothes may fit and look better. Best of all, those treated fat cells, once eliminated, are gone for good. Ask us if CoolSculpting can help you reduce stubborn fat. Take the next step. Schedule your CoolSculpting consultation with us today.
Direct Biologics was created to expand the science of cutting-edge biologic technologies through research and commercialization of the naturally occurring proteins from allograft tissue, compliant with FDA standards for 361 HCTP product. Cells by nature work to heal, repair, and reconstruct the body. Science shows us a revolutionary way to provide true stem cell therapy, which is to provide therapy to the patient's own cells by modulating the cellular activity. This happens by introducing the patient's cells to a healthy and younger combination of naturally occurring growth factor proteins and exosomes. A growth factor is naturally occurring protein capable of stimulating cellular growth, proliferation, healing, and cellular differentiation. Usually it is a protein or a steroid hormone. Growth factors are important for regulating a variety of cellular processes. Let's find out how exosomes are made. Inside the cell, a cell membrane forms inward, forming a special type of lipid vesicle called an endosome. Then the proteins, microRNA and messenger RNA, invaginate the endosome's membrane, forming the exosomes. Endosomes then fuse with the surface of the cell, releasing the exosomes outside of the cell. Due to the observation of this process, historically exosomes were believed to be a waste byproduct of cells. But when researched further, and it was discovered that, in fact, these are the mediating mechanism involved in direct cell-to-cell communication. These produce an anti-inflammatory response due to the communication from the many proteins that down-regulate inflammatory proteins. Other proteins will then recruit stem cells to the area that will help unregulate these cells to proliferate and promote organized healing through the regulated process. Then once the task is complete, there are additional proteins that tell the cells when the healing has been completed. These exosomes, with the presence of over 1,000+ growth factors, are being regarded as one of the purest forms of stem cell therapy. In their natural state, they offer proteins and no DNA or potentially harmful byproducts that can be found in other therapies.
If only piling on the years didn't mean piling on stubborn fat. Even if you make every effort to remain active and eat right, it seems almost impossible to maintain the shape of your body. Now, thanks to body contouring with CoolSculpting, we can treat your chin, flanks, abdomen, arms, thighs, and more. CoolSculpting makes it easy to tackle the extra padding and maintain your desired curves. And because we can treat both sides of the body at once, this means less time away from your busy schedule. Just 12 weeks, we can have you looking slimmer and trimmer, because you deserve to look and feel your best, no matter what your age. CoolSculpting by Allergan at Advanced Skin Fitness. Book your session today.